Alright, let's talk cash. More specifically, let's talk about whether or not you can stuff some green into your SoFi account. You know, those crisp, cold hard bills that still seem to hold some magic in this digital age. We're living in a world where everything is going online: shopping, banking, even ordering groceries. But is SoFi part of this digital-only revolution, or can you still be a cash-carrying cowboy in their world? Now, SoFi is definitely a player in the online banking game. They're all about sleek apps, high interest rates, and making personal finance less, well, personal. But what happens when you're holding a fistful of dollars and you want to add it to your SoFi balance? Can you do it? Is it easy? Is it even possible? Let's dive in. The short answer is, kind of. It's not like you can waltz into a SoFi branch and hand over your cash. There are no SoFi branches. But there's a workaround. SoFi partners with a network of retail locations where you can actually deposit cash into your account. It's like a bridge between the old school world of cash and the new school world of digital banking. Now, before you get too excited, there are a few things you need to know. First, there's a limit to how much cash you can deposit at a time. It's not like you can dump your entire life savings in one go. Second, there's usually a fee involved. It's not a huge fee, but it's something to keep in mind. And third, the process isn't as quick as depositing cash at a traditional bank. It can take some time for the funds to show up in your account. So, while it's possible to deposit cash into your SoFi account, it's not the most convenient or cost-effective method. If you're someone who deals with a lot of cash, SoFi might not be the best option for you. But if you only occasionally need to deposit cash, it's a workable solution. Now, let's talk about some alternatives. If you're looking for a bank that offers more flexibility when it comes to cash deposits, there are plenty of options out there. Some traditional banks still have physical branches where you can deposit cash in person, and there are also online banks that offer cash deposit options through ATMs or retail partners. So, there you have it. SoFi does offer a way for you to deposit cash, but it's not the most convenient or cost-effective method. If you're looking for a bank that makes it easy to manage your cash, you might want to explore other options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.